Sky Space, the Royal Tantra on the Great Perfection of Bodhicitta. So we have overcome the mountain of our strife. When even the practices of the demons are enlightened, what do we need to say about the views of others? Acceptance and rejection are just understandings. However we may practice, we are not afraid. We do not divide things into virtues and evils. In the heart essence of our equanimity, primordially, we are one. This is why we do not settle into equanimity. We are not distracted. Our samadhi is that we are finished with the attribution of signs. In the true experience of the equanimity of samadhi, the 10 perfections are completed in a single moment. The 10 levels, without any traveling, are completed in a single moment. True thusness does not abide in anything. The emptiness of emptiness is the abandonment of consciousness. Our consciousness of our ideas is totally lost, so we have the experience of settling into undistracted equanimity. We are perfected in a dominion that is beyond consciousness. The clarity that is beyond meditation is also without ideas. This is beyond any words that would exemplify. It is the treasure of equanimity. It is not anything at all. It is also everything. It is beyond our thinking. It is not to be visualized. Effortless awareness is a space that is supreme. Reality is not confused. It is not an object. There is nothing that may be designated to be a dharma or a keeper of a dharma. The awareness of equanimity is a river of bliss. Non-dual wisdom does not abide anywhere. A consciousness of emptiness is a mean attitude. The self-originating is beyond our endeavors. It is spontaneously realized. In simply being beyond the very best, it is beyond any demarcation. Awareness that is beyond thought does not contemplate anything. In a single measure of time, there is the transmission of blazing light. In the dominion of the unborn, there is no death. The sphere of our dominion does not join or separate. The emptiness of emptiness has no extreme or middle. The sun of wisdom dawns in a single moment. From Sky Space, the Great Tantra on the Bodhicitta, this is Chapter 6. There is no birth or death.